Grandma, Grandpa, and Me by Mercer Mayer. And if you'd like to buy this book, check in the link description down below. Tonight I am sleeping over at Grandma and Grandpa's house. I brought lots of fun toys for Grandma and Grandpa to play with. I got to sleep in a big bed all by myself until it started to thunder and lightning. Then Grandma and Grandpa wanted me to sleep with them because they don't like thunderstorms. We woke up really early because Grandma and I were going to make a pie to enter in a contest at the country fair. We had lots to do to get ready. First, I helped Grandma milk the cows. I held the bucket. I really tight, but the milk spilled a little. Then I went to the hen house to get some eggs. "Hello, hens," I said. "Bawk," went the hen. That's how hens say hello, you know. After that, Grandma and I picked blueberries. I filled up my whole basket. Well, almost. I had to eat some to make sure they were good enough to put in our pie. Then it was time to make the pie. First, we made the crust. I showed Grandma how to stir up all the ingredients with a big spoon. Then I rolled out the dough. It's kind of sticky, so you have to be really careful. After that, we mixed the blueberries with sugar and filled the crust. Then you put it in the oven to bake. Finally, I helped Grandma mix the eggs and milk to make a special cream topping. "Please add lots of my secret ingredient," Grandma said. "Where is it?" I asked. Grandma pointed to her heart. She told me that lots of love makes a pie taste really good. At last, it was time to go to the country fair. Hooray! First, we went to the pie judging booth to drop off the pie. I carried it the whole way, all by myself. Then Grandpa and I played a ring toss and I won a prize. We went to the fun house. After that, Grandpa played a game to test his strength. I had to help him a little. Then it was time for the pie judging contest. The judges tasted all the pies, and I tasted them too. Guess who won? Grandma! She gave me the blue ribbon for being such a good helper. I told Grandma I knew our pie would taste best because it had the most love in it. When we got home, we all flew the kite. I won. We had a really fun day. Grandma, Grandpa, and me. The end.